my YouTube vlogs, and today I have had a super exhausting day at office, and now we are going to go for some gym. I think it's about 7:30 right now. I'm just gonna go grab a Monster, I think, and then go home, change, and then I'll see you at the gym for a leg workout. So I'll see you there. I am at home now and I have freshened up and everything for gym, and I'll just try to recap my day, what I ate and everything, now that I'm going for gym in the evening. I am not an evening gym goer, I am a very consistent morning gym goer, but I couldn't go today morning because I think I slept late last night. So I thought I would just take a rest day today, but it has been a very long day and I think I need to go to the gym. I need some time for myself, That's like the whole purpose of going to the gym, like getting some alone time. I need to think about stuff. I am an overthinker, but going to the gym and deciding some important decisions makes sense for me because I just get so much time on my hands to not make the wrong decision and think with all kinds of point of views and everything. I hope you get it. Okay, so what all did I do today? So after waking up late and missing gym, for breakfast I ate 3 boiled egg whites and some very basic paneer and capsicum cooked together. That was it. That was like my high protein breakfast. And then I didn't eat anything, and then again for lunch I ate the same paneer and capsicum, a lot of it, along with brown rice and dal. Why brown rice? Because I gave up on white rice a long time ago. I think I have been trying to get I've been trying to reduce my fat, which is not working obviously, but in the process I left white rice out of the question and I switched to brown rice because it's lesser calories, it contains more fiber and everything. It tastes very different, but I am used to it now and I do eat it on a regular basis. It's been for I think more than a month I've been eating brown rice regularly, and that's it. I did lunch around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then I didn't eat anything directly. I talked to you guys and then I had a Monster at around 7:30 right now, and now I'm going to the gym. So let's do that. Another important thing that happened today was, okay, this is sort of a vent, but listen to me. So outside my office there's these poor kids, right? They sell dustbin bags for money, and I always get some dustbin bags from them, right? Because I just feel like they're doing something and I can help them by buying from them. So I always do, and now I have like unnecessary amount of dustbin bags. There's so many dustbin bags. I am not going to go out of dustbin bags for months now, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, the point is, these guys are always outside my office, right? They all call me Didi now, and we laugh together and everything. So even today they were outside my office, and I was like, no, I don't need any more dustbin bags and everything. But they were like, just take one, please, just take one. So I just bought dustbin bags worth 20 rupees. Okay, just 20 rupees. And then I came back to office, and when I left office, I saw those little kids drinking alcohol. And I just did not know what to think about that situation, because I don't think, I mean, they're kids, right? They're not more than 16, I think. they're just kids. They should be in, I think, 6th or 7th standard now, but I help them because I feel bad for them. And then when I see them drinking alcohol with the money that I gave them, I did not have a good feeling about it. And it's just a very confusing feeling. But I don't know, I don't think I'll be buying anything from them, or maybe I should try to talk to them. I haven't decided yet, but I just feel really bad about it. I know that life is hard on various people, and I cannot even imagine the life they have lived, but I just still think that I should not buy stuff from them if they are going to use the money for wrong reasons. So yeah, I don't know. I know this was a random rant, I'm sorry, but yeah, even that happened today. Anyways, I am ready. I'll show you my outfit. We're doing an oversized thing today, and I'll see you at the gym now. much if you watched till the end, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.